Gemstone night, silver light. Keep your code clean, keep your hands tight. They call her Itzel, the script check guy. You can't outcode fate, baby. Yeah, hey. Gear hall glowing, midnight hum, Rochelina smiling, picking till she's numb. 10 ranks deep, Dex bonus pop. Every chest a paycheck, every click non-stop. You ask for job, clerk not slow. Boxes flow soft with a lock, lights glow. She checks her job, XP slides in, silver rain down, rogue life wins.
Oh, Rochelina, queen of the pool, got the touch, got the fire. Gemstone cool, but when you ghost that screen, thinking you're slick, and I better watch your code. The script check guy, yeah, yeah.
Logs don't sleep, she see that fraud.
Yeah, yeah.
Can't outrun the script check guy. When she type that high, your heart's outlaw. Blessing banned by the script check guy. Snack break quick, chair lean back. Scripts hum like a railroad track. Roll gone blank, but a pick still go. Perfect rhythm, too perfect, yo. Chat lights up, a thundertone. Itzel here on an astrophone. Road your girl, you scripted wrong. Been hearing clicks for way too long.
Yo, Zell chill, I just stepped out. Didn't mean to make them scripts shout, but it's Zell smirks, her code divine. I read your logs, they tell the line.
Guild chat watching, crowd goes wild. Someone bet she gone exile, but Rocha laugh, still got a pride. I'll handpick locks till the day I die.
Oh, Rochelina, queen of the pool, got the touch, got the fire. Gemstone cool, but when you ghost that screen, thinking you slick, and I better watch your code. The script check guy, yeah, yeah.
She track your tick, she script, she fraud.
Yeah, yeah.
One wrong move and she pulls your rod.
Yeah,
Laws don't lie, her justice broad. The last thing you see, script check guy.
Yeah, yeah.
Now the pool still shines where the rogues all play. Rochelina working the honest way. She hums that beat, that gemstone sound. Every pick legit, no script found. And when the night goes still, the locks all nod. You'll feel that chill, that holy motto. Whisper low from behind facade, is still watching the script check guy.
Who wants to lead love? Who wants to lead love? Who wants to lead love? The script check guy.